Well, my name is Anastasia, and if you didn't know, I'm a part of the SSC, which is where we... litter.
Where? Oh no, that's bad. We need a separate bag just for litter.
Yeah. Do you mind if you can go get it?
No, not at all. So, alright.
Hello, my awesome people.
I don't know if you can see me.
Here, I'll grab the camera.
Oh look, that's Sarah, Vice President
of the SSC, I know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, so Anastasia, tell us what the SSC does.
Oh yeah, the SSC is where it basically...
Okay, I'm going to describe it because I like it.
You do a better thing describing.
Okay, so what the purpose of the SSC, we donate half of our profit to charity. People that have cancer, rare diseases, stuff like that.
And people with no homes.
People with no homes, yes.
Like, say we were just walking around the mall and we see somebody on the street. Give them an extra $20. Go
Give them a blanket.
Yeah.
Because
buy them a blanket, buy them some food.
What I've done before I've even heard of the SSC, there was a man in the streets walking with no umbrella and it was raining. So
give him an umbrella. Make his day happy.
We gave him
his day happy. Make him happy.
Me and my mom gave him an umbrella and $10 to buy him some food and drink. Well, 2 years later, we saw that exact same man using the exact same umbrella we gave him. Which, that should make you feel really good inside. Okay,
Litter.
Oh my God, pick it up.
Let me see the bag.
That's disgusting. Did you pick up the old water bottle down there?
Yeah.
Where is it? No, you didn't.
We'll pick it up as we come back.
Yeah, okay. So, anyways, OMG, who is throwing out all this newspaper?
I mean, you can start reading the tracks.
Yeah.
No,
I wonder what it says. It says, notice married Wisconsin residents. Oh, that's boring stuff.
beer can.
That's disgusting.
We're gonna have to wash our hands a lot. How did you go there from here?
Okay.
Oh yeah, the SSC.
Anywho, so we are posting our upcoming fundraiser, and it's in Victoria, Texas, 77905. River Oaks is the neighborhood. Holly Lane, and just past there's a park down there. And today we're doing, we are doing a nature walk. And what we would love to see, at least I would, I'm not sure if Anastasia would.
I would.
See it, pictures of what you find. So we're going to show some amazing pictures, and we're going to, at the very end, show you a craft that you can do with stuff that you find.
And plus, not only can we do that, I have an Instagram account for the SSC. Pick it up.
OMGs! Why is there so much crap?
Well, I have an Instagram account for the SSCs. If you DM me, I'm gonna put it in the bio. But if you DM me pictures,
Rocky took off with.
Yeah.
It was full of fish.
But if you DM me pictures, some pictures, I'll post it on there and I'll give you a shout out.
And if you subscribe, there are 7 members of the club. 7 members can subscribe to your channel. So you can get 7 more members.
Look.
And if you don't, oh my God.
Anywho, you get the idea. 7 more subscribers.
Okay, you can walking for a while. We've already had one pine cone.
Let's start. Alright, we started, and look how much litter we already have. Up in the back there.
And we've only walked less than,
not even a mile yet. Look at that.
Anastasia, we just walked barely down this road. From that pipe down there, we've been down the same road.
Yeah.
So, and we already have this much litter. And look at all this litter down here.
Yeah.
So you can obviously tell you can do stuff like, if you do this to your neighborhood, there's going to be less trash in the world, and the world will be much prettier. And obviously our first stop for the nature walk is these purple flowers. Look, I already showed y'all some. Here another batch. Alright, let's move on to the next one.
The old man living in his natural habitats.
Well, that's mean.
Not really. Well, I know him. He's actually pretty nice. And his wife.
Okay, well, we'll see you in part 2. Goodbye. Say bye.
Bye.